Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 50% off on Databricks certifications. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for that. So join the Databricks Learning Festival, that's a self-placed global event, and get 50% off on Databricks certification exam by completing the eligible learning pathway. So event dates are March 16 to April 3rd of 2026. So first question in our mind that what is the Databricks? So Databricks is a cloud-based data platform used for the data engineering, data analytics, machine learning, and AI. It is built on Apache Spark and help organization process big data and build ML models and analyze data at scale. So festival benefits is there. So 50% off of certification exam discount, 20% off on Databricks Academy Lab, and free self-paced training and learn data engineering, ML, SQL, and generative AI. So popular learning paths. So data engineering with the Databricks, machine learning with Databricks, data analytics with the Databricks SQL, and generative AI engineering. So official event link is this one. I'm going through the link. So here we can see Databricks Learning Festival Self-Placed Global and grow a skill and mark your calendar 16 March to 3rd April 2026. So here you can see 50% discount on any Databricks certification and 20% off on a yearly Database Academy Lab subscription. So now note that please ensure every component of the course is marked as a completed, including any course introduction section. During the eligibility window to confirm your learning pathway is properly recorded. Review the FAQs and link is there. So certification criteria, this is the associate data engineering and customer academy enroll links. So these are the links you have to enroll and you have to complete this one. So like this, many paths are there. So you can go through this path. Just like I'm data analytics, so there is a BA and BI model analytics are there, and SQL analytics and Databricks. So let me open this. So it will ask you to sign in or register. So when you sign in, register, you will get a all the course details. Okay, you have to complete the course detail pathway. So please complete the both modules for the data analytics learning path. Okay, plan. So you have to complete this thing, then only you will get a 50% discount on any Databricks certification. So we have done this thing. So here Databricks is providing the 50% off Databricks certification. You can go through this one. Disclaimer is that all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyrighted 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow me on uh, follow the process exactly shown in the video and subscribe for free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.